PUC pe pirkeli nga kwa. Uyele udon ben. Den ben na. Masang baru yele hi, udah dalam pawai mele. Uyu di pirun saya yele hi, ubi di pirun saya yele hi. Ubi pirun saya yele hi. Tang ko nga nang kakondusi junga la penyele ununu bakwa teh. Ngam la kan. Why do you need to seek permission from me? I am not the owner of that condusi. I'm the MLA of that condusi. Anybody who can come, no problem.
So coming to election from multiple.
You see, there is no challenge at all in 2028. The people of the state, they know whom to vote, where to vote. Working with BHP together is, you know very well, the ideology is different, point number one. And of course, we'll be getting development from the central governments.
But do you feel that the BJP is trying to get into?
Not at all. Not at all. BHP will get their own seat as usual only, maybe plus minus. And NPP, I think as of now we are more than 30, so we'll be able to retain the same seat only.
Thank you, Manto.